guys, welcome to my channel. So today I think I'm going to do what I call a mirror swipe. It's where you lay your colors down and you do swipes on each side of it. I've got some colors out. I put my pillow paint down, which is Color to Go Sherwin-Williams in Tricorn Black. I'm just going to play some music and let you guys watch.
Forget it, all because of you. It'll be clearer in a second, all because of you. All because of you. And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second, all because of you. Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Okay, now I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up, so I will be right back. Alright guys, here she is. I really thought I was going to hate it, but some of these cells are so cool. There's a couple places, of course, I don't like that, but those cells are cool. That one spot I had a lot of trouble with, so it was getting really hot here and everything was drying on me. So, but those are cool. Just a lot of super cool cells. So all in all, I think it turned out really cool. Like, I hate that right there. But those are cool. So the cells that are cool make up for the ones that I don't really like, I guess. So, alright guys, have a great day or great night. Wherever you are, I love you guys to pieces, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.